What's up, people? My name is Brian, and I have a Tagan BZ-900 Power Supply, and I have an 8800 GT graphics card made by Galaxy Tech. I've also got Vista 64-bit right here, and what I want to show you is an anomaly that is seen when going into any 3D mode with this combination of stuff. And I've narrowed it down. It has to be the power supply because I ripped the thing out of here. As you can see, everything's in shambles. Watch. Now, as you can see, that little fuzzy thing is spinning around, and as I go closer and closer to my power supply, listen to the noise that it's making. I'll shut up now. I'm sure you can hear that unless you're deaf. I don't know if you ever tried to play a game and in the background you hear it's kind of a distraction. And for those saying, well, it's coming from the graphics card, I've heard of that problem before. No. As I move closer to the graphics card, you hear it less and less. Going back to the power supply. And it's moving to the beat of that spinning fuzzy cube, the ATI tool. Depending on where the rotation is where the different, it's how it'll sound different. And if I stop this fuzzy cube from spinning around, try and make it so that you can see here, hold up. As soon as I stop this fuzzy cube from spinning, the noise goes away. See, now I can go by. No squealing noise. Let go of the fuzzy cube. Noise is back. Only when doing something 3D, what I've found out is that it has to do with whether VSync is on or not, so it's directly related to frame rate. If I load up BioShock, which happens, unless you get the latest patch, happens to load up without VSync on. Come on. Still quiet, right? Spacebar doesn't let me skip the menus, so that's also fun. You should be able to hear it, even with it just sitting at the menu right here. It's making a buzzing noise. Pretty sure that should be apparent. If it's not, listen to it without it on. I go into options, I go into graphics options. VSync is off, as you can see right here, it's off. Watch what happens when I turn it on and hit apply. Noise is gone. No more noise. Directly related to VSync, how many frames per second it's going. And I can play the game right now and it'll be great. And you'll barely hear anything. As soon as VSync is off, I'm screwed. So if anyone from Tagan, wink wink, or Galaxy Tech, yeah right, they're in some other country, hears this, please help. Thank you.